What's up guys, hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja and today we are back with another natural hair tutorial for you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's move right along to the video. So today we'll be working with BetterLength hair. They sent over their drawstring ponytail and I'm super excited to show you this natural protective style. This is their packaging. This is what our hair came in. So today we'll be installing their kinky curly drawstring ponytail. This is it. I already washed it. It's giving us some really nice curls. The hair comes with the clip in the front and in the back along with the adjustable band. This is it. Super durable, bouncy, and as you can see, the hair is looking super defined, soft, and the curls are just really gorgeous. So for today's video, I feel like I want to do like a little design in the front. I don't know, I feel like I want to do something different, so I'll just do whatever my brain comes up with. I don't have anything planned. I just know that I want like a little design in the front. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the video. This hair is from BetterLength hair and this is their drawstring ponytail. I'm super excited to show you guys this style, so I'm just gonna roll right into the video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and let's get into it. So I will be going in. I'm just gonna go ahead and section out my hair. I'm gonna do it into 2 sections. So I'm just going in, taking out the sections. And this style is gonna be super easy, super beginner friendly. Like even a baby could do this. Like it's not hard. I love working with BetterLength hair because they always send us good quality hair. I had their clip-ins for years and years and years. Washed it and washed it and washed it, and the quality still remains. And today we have the pleasure of installing their drawstring ponytail. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that. And again, it's super easy because it's a drawstring ponytail. It's a quick 5-minute install. if 5 minutes, probably like less. Just gonna go in with a hair tie and secure the back. So I'm going in with some rubber bands, but I'm not gonna do them super tight to where it creates tension on my scalp. I'm just gonna go in and do a little bit of design. I just feel like I want something. So for today's install, I will be using my Kiss Color braiding gel. I love this because it doesn't leave any residue, and especially because the conditioner already left so much, I don't want any more. So I'm going in with my Kiss Color braiding gel, and we're just gonna get the design rolling and we'll be back. All right, so this is the final look. I love it. I ended up doing some curly baby hair just to go with the vibes of the ponytail. I think this is cute. Like, this is giving me a really cute vibes. Let me know what you think about this, if I did too much or if it's just absolutely gorgeous, because I think it's gorgeous. This is it. So let's go ahead and finish up our hair. So I'll be going in with my Proclaim Protein Styling Gel. I absolutely love this. I only use 2 gels in my hair, Proclaim and Ampro, and I love them. Like, these are OG styling gel. Like, if you know kind of thing. So I'm just gonna go in and get my hair up into a nice little updo, and then we put our ponytail on. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is how she's looking. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love this look. Like, the curls are bouncing, the hair is just really soft, it's super lightweight, and I just love what it's given. Like, let me know how you feel about her. She's giving me a really cutesy vibes. I love it. Again, this hair is from BetterLength Hair. This is their kinky curly drawstring ponytail. I love it. Like, no baby hair, nothing's being done. I'm done. And that was 5 minutes installing the ponytail. This is it. This is gonna be my new go-to style. This is Round you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this ponytail, if you'd wear it. And if you want to do some styles, go ahead and tag me on my Instagram. Most importantly, make sure you subscribe so you can see more tips and tricks on how to get you a natural slay. And until next time, I'll see you guys in another video.